Strong 10mm twin lock heads offer uncompromised security for even the thinnest laptops and devices. Patented hidden pin technology provides anti-pick features unique to Kensington. T-bar locking technology attaches to the Kensington Security Slot found on most laptops and other devices like monitors, printers and docking stations. Carbon steel cable resists cutting attempts and anchors to desk, table or any fixed structure. Note: not compatible with several 2016 Dell laptops and tablets including some Inspiron, Latitude, Venue, XPS, and Chromebook 13 models that use the Noble lock slot. Please review your device's technical specifications. At only 10 mm in diameter, the two lock heads are designed for even the thinnest laptops and devices while using the same key, so you can quickly secure a laptop as well as a monitor, hard drive, printer or docking station. The patented anti-pick technology ensures the lock cannot be tampered with. Top reviews from the United States. Lock 2 devices with 1 cable. I use this at work to lock my monitors, Dell dock, and laptop. This eliminates clutter and cleans up my desk, making it easy to use and protect my devices from theft.